Bay Rabbits presents common behavioral problems in Shih Tzu, and more importantly, will be providing practical solutions to help you overcome these challenges and create a happy and healthy relationship with your beloved pup. Whether you're a new Shih Tzu owner or have had one for years, this video is packed with insights that you won't want to miss. Please pause what you are doing to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. So, let's get started. 1. Barking too much. Continuous barking from a pet can have negative consequences for pet owners. This issue can lead to noise pollution, potential fines, and disruption of harmony in the home. It's important to address excessive barking promptly to prevent the problem from becoming unmanageable. Common causes of excessive barking include separation anxiety, lack of exercise, attention-seeking behavior, boredom, and confusion. To solve excessive barking, behavioral training can be used. Positive reinforcement can be used to teach the pet commands like quiet, stop, or hush to communicate when barking should stop. Physical and mental stimulation can be introduced to provide daily structure, promote exercise, and encourage mental engagement. Ignoring barking can also be effective, as it teaches the pet that barking will not result in attention. Introducing the pet to the object or situation it is afraid of and providing proper socialization are also recommended. 2. Chewing. Inappropriate chewing is problematic because it can damage household items such as furniture and shoes and can also be dangerous for dogs, who may chew on items that contain small parts or harmful materials like cords and batteries. Chewing can lead to the destruction of personal belongings, resulting in the need for costly replacements. There are several reasons why dogs may engage in destructive chewing, including boredom, teething, anxiety, hunger, and curiosity. It is essential to determine the root cause of the behavior and provide appropriate chew toys as a solution. To prevent destructive chewing, it's recommended to invest in high-quality, durable chew toys and rotate them often to keep your pup entertained. Engaging your dog in mental stimulation activities such as training, hide-and-seek games, and puzzle toys can also help prevent boredom and excessive chewing. Using pet-safe sprays on surfaces your dog is prone to chewing on, providing sufficient exercise opportunities, and setting boundaries and consistent rules against unacceptable chewing behavior can all help reduce destructive chewing in your home. Additionally, providing a designated space, such as a toy box or crate, can give your pup a safe outlet for their natural instinct to chew. 3. Separation anxiety. Shih Tzu dogs are prone to separation anxiety, a common problem when they are left alone without adequate mental and physical stimulation. This can cause boredom and frustration, leading to unwanted behaviors such as excessive barking, chewing, and elimination indoors, as well as attempts to escape. To prevent or treat separation anxiety, it is important to establish a routine that includes enough physical activity and mental stimulation, as well as plenty of affection when you are home. Gradual training can also be effective, rewarding good behavior when you leave the house and gradually increasing the time spent away. Bringing in a second pet, providing interactive toys, and incorporating plenty of exercise are also effective ways to reduce anxiety levels in Shih Tzu dogs. Patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement are key to helping your furry friend cope with separation anxiety and become more comfortable being left alone. 4. Aggression. Shih Tzus are known to have issues with aggression towards other animals. If you notice your dog exhibiting this behavior, it is important to identify the underlying anxiety that is causing this reaction. Seeking the help of a certified animal behavior specialist and utilizing positive reinforcement techniques during training can be helpful. It is important to be aware of signs of aggression, such as lunging and snarling, and to remain in control and avoid showing aggressive behavior yourself. Consistency with rewards and discipline, early socialization, gentle play training, and intervention, if playtime becomes too rough, are all effective ways to deal with an aggressive Shih Tzu. By analyzing the dog's behavior in specific situations and addressing any underlying issues, basic training techniques can be implemented with practice and consistency to help the dog learn to handle themselves better around other animals in gentler manner. 5. Difficult to house train. Shih Tzus can be challenging to train due to their strong-willed and stubborn nature, and their sensitivity can make them easily distracted. This can lead to behavior problems like barking, digging, and chewing. However, with the right techniques, these issues can be avoided. Consistency, patience, positive reinforcement, setting rules and boundaries, and plenty of exercise are essential when training Shih Tzus. Punishments and shouting should be avoided, and crate training can be an effective tool to reinforce positive behavior. With dedication and guidance, a Shih Tzu can be trained successfully. 6. Chasing after people. Shih Tzus may exhibit behavior problems like chasing people, animals, or vehicles, which can be harmful and should be dealt with immediately. Owners must use proper training methods to prevent or stop chasing behaviors and teach their Shih Tzu that chasing is unacceptable. It is advisable to desensitize the dog to the stimuli that trigger them to chase and teach them commands like stop or leave it. Regular exercise and mental stimulation can also keep the dog calm around potential triggers. To address chasing problems, it is recommended to keep the pup on a leash outside the home, reinforce positive behaviors, and train them in basic obedience commands. Positive reinforcement techniques should be incorporated into their training and socialization. This should reduce the dog's desire to chase. Owners should consistently set firm boundaries and reinforce acceptable behaviors. Additionally, the dog should be trained to come when called by using incentives like treats and rewards. 7. Excitability and hyperactivity. Managing behavior issues in Shih Tzu related to excitability and hyperactivity can be challenging. These behaviors may arise due to the dog's eagerness to please their owners, especially when they are puppies. However, these behaviors can lead to disobedience and destructive actions. Therefore, it is crucial to establish an appropriate level of excitement through consistent training techniques. Signs of excitability and hyperactivity in Shih Tzu include ignoring commands, excessive barking, chewing on objects, tail chasing, obsessive grooming, and jumping up on people. To address these issues, several methods can be employed, such as training, consistency in routines, physical exercise, and playing with toys. Training is a crucial aspect of managing these behaviors, as it can teach the dog how to respond correctly to various situations and commands and focus their energy positively. Consistency in routines for feeding, playing, and walking can help the dog understand what is expected of them, leading to a more settled temperament. Physical exercise and supervised play can help tire the dog out before training sessions. Finally, playing with interactive toys, such as puzzle toys or treat dispensers, can provide the dog with mental stimulation and distract them from overactive behavior. Providing sufficient physical exercise and mental stimulation can also reduce the dog's energy levels. 8. Growling and howling. When Shih Tzus exhibit growling and howling, it is often a concerning behavior that needs to be addressed quickly. Addressing these behaviors involves identifying the underlying causes such as stress, anxiety, hunger, or illness, and taking appropriate steps to resolve them. Owners can use positive reinforcement, mental stimulation, and socialization techniques, as well as establish a daily routine to help prevent these behaviors. It is important to avoid punishing or abusing your pet and to use positive reinforcement instead. With consistent and positive training, owners can help their Shih Tzu regain positive behavior patterns. 9. Refuse to eat. Shih Tzu dogs often have a tendency to be picky eaters, which can cause frustration for their owners. Since these dogs can't communicate their likes and dislikes, they may refuse to eat certain foods. There are several reasons why a Shih Tzu may refuse to eat, including dental pain, digestive issues, allergies or intolerances to certain foods, changes in their diet, boredom with their current food, or an inability to access food. Fortunately, there are several ways to address this issue. First, pet owners can try offering a variety of new flavors and food options to entice their dog to eat. It's important to be patient and persistent when finding something that the dog likes. Additionally, owners should schedule an appointment with a veterinarian to rule out any underlying health issues that may be causing appetite loss. It's also important to provide appropriate portion sizes and a comfortable feeding environment, such as offering toys or treats while the dog eats. 10. Digging. Shih Tzu dogs commonly display a behavior problem of excessive digging, which needs to be addressed promptly to avoid further complications. Shih Tzu owners should take the necessary steps to address the issue, including proper training and redirecting the dog's energy towards more acceptable activities. To prevent digging-related problems, pet parents can provide their Shih Tzu with adequate exercise and mental stimulation to keep them from getting bored. They can also block off areas in the yard where the dog likes to dig by placing a fence or board as an obstruction. Additionally, they can designate a specific area in the yard as a digging area for the dog to dig without causing damage. Positive reinforcement techniques like verbal praise or treats can also be used when the dog engages in appropriate digging behavior. 11. Begging you for anything. Shih Tzus can develop the bad habit of begging for food, which can be challenging to change once it becomes a regular routine. However, it's never too late to break the habit, and it's crucial to do so to avoid digestive issues and weight gain. Ignoring your dog's pleas for food, establishing strict rules, providing alternative activities, feeding your dog during mealtime, and rewarding good behavior are some of the ways you can fix this issue. Positive reinforcement through treats or verbal praise can help strengthen desirable behavior, while ignoring and correcting improper behavior like begging will discourage it. 12. Crying. If a Shih Tzu is crying excessively, it could be a sign of discomfort or anxiety, which may result from a lack of exercise, separation anxiety, health problems, or boredom. To address this issue, pet owners must first identify why their Shih Tzu is crying and then take appropriate steps to help them. Consistency is crucial in establishing a daily routine for meals, walks, and potty breaks. Providing stimulating activities such as puzzle toys and training sessions can also help keep the Shih Tzu focused and occupied. Creating a positive environment by limiting or avoiding stressful situations, going for walks, and engaging in playtime can also help relax your dog. Additionally, using brain stimulation, like providing puzzles or games to tackle, can help mitigate behavioral issues caused by stress, fear, and anxiety. Introducing a second pet or providing durable toys that can be chewed on and handled for extended periods can also keep them occupied. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos on all things pets and animal related. We'll see you in the next video.